Good morning. Welcome to the channel. It's good to be here. Now I've waken up, take a quick shower, and now let's go check it out. The breakfast. I really wanted to wake up earlier, like at 3, as they say, so that I can go to the breakfast and do my video shoots whilst there won't be anyone else there. But unfortunately I was so tired. So let's go check out the breakfast. Well, this is where I'm coming from. The crew member, the captain's cockpit where I slept, and that's the usual reception area, and all the rooms are being cleaned. You can see the roof running there. So let's go for breakfast. Wow, this is the cafeteria. Breakfast 3 to 10. I'm still within the range, so I'm okay. Let's see what I can get. Everything is well arranged here. There's some breads, all types of breads. The cereals. Coffee machine. This is nice. This is beautiful. And a bit of history there. Oh, someone made a drawing of the jumbo stay. Oh, that's beautiful. So this is the sitting area, and they also did put some 2 seats here as well. I'm gonna just sit and taste. Oh, loads of history here in the cafeteria. Beautiful. Oh, I haven't been reading. Air Asia had the 747 from 2000 to 2000. Transjet 2000 to 2000, 2002 to 2002. What about here? Tower Air from 1996 to 2000. Air Club 1994 to 97, I think. Panam from 1984 to 1991. Yeah, that's Panam. So I do believe that's the one I am on now. Let's go check that other side. Oh, this a big telly, and there's also a microwave down here. I can see the 747 London Gatwick. My home, August 26, 1994. Wow. This picture is saying this is the number of petrol trucks needed to refuel a jumbo jet. Guys, can you imagine? This is an absolute monster. That's Singapore Airlines, 1976 to 1984. Wow. Key events in the life history. 1976, that's when it first flight. 1976. That's when it was delivered to Singapore Airlines, registered 9V dash Sierra Quebec Echo. 2604 1984. Tupa names on N727PA Clipper Bell of the Sky. April 1991, withdrawn from use and parked in Miami. 2108 1992. That's when it was till National Canada, then till Kuwait Airways, Gurada Indonesia, Cathay Pacific, and then to National Canada as Charlie Dash Foxtrot November X-Ray Papa, and then was leased to Kuwait Airways, Gurada Indonesia, and Cathay Pacific. Okay, that's what I just read. 25/05 1993, re-registered as November 514 Delta Charlie. 13/06 1994, to Air Club International. This plane has had a long journey as Charlie Dash Golf Charlie India Hotel. 23/10 1995, re-registered as November 511 Papa. 22/01 1996, to Tower Airlines as November 620 Foxtrot. September 2000, withdrawn from use and parked in New York. 28/01 2002, to Transjet Airways as Sierra Echo Dash Romeo Bravo November. July 22, 2002, last Transjet flight from Dublin to Stockholm, then withdrawn from use and parked at Arlanda. So it was parked here at Arlanda in July 2002. 12/01 2004, till Northeast Airlines 3 Delta Dash November Echo Fly Planet blah blah, to Northeast Airlines as 3 Delta Dash November Echo. Aircraft later deemed to be no longer airworthy. Of course, it had a long journey from 1976 to 2004. 01/05 2007, it was then to Jet Midwest as November 981 Juliet Mike for final works, and registration then cancelled and aircraft sold to Oscar Jumbo Hostel. I believe that's the one, the owners, after the owner's daughter. It was Christian Leave after the owner's daughter. 28/08 2008, Leave is moved to a new home at Stockholm Arlanda Airport. So it came to Arlanda here in 2008. 15/01 2009, Jumbo Hostel opens for guests and visitors. Wow, that's a very interesting long history of this flight, this plane. The aircraft data are built by Boeing Commercial Airplane Company, Everett, Washington, USA. Construction 21162, fuselage number 283, in service 1976 to 2002. Length 70.4 meters, which is about 231 feet, wingspan 59.6 meters, height 19.3 meters, engines 4 times Pratt and Whitney JT9D-7J high bypass ratio turbofans. Fuel capacity 150,540 kgs, which is 193,000 liter. My days. Maximum takeoff weight 349,266 kgs. Wing area 511 square meters. Seats 412 Pan Am 1984 to 91, and then Transjet 491 in 2002. Jumbo hostel, number of rooms 25, and one by cockpit suite, which is the one Captain Mahlunge I slept tonight. So that's 19 times 3 beds, 3 by 2 beds, 2 by 4 beds, number of beds 73. Jumbo hostel. This is quite interesting and well documented as well. Anyway, let me carry on with my breakfast. I think I have talked much now. I didn't know about all this history. I didn't see it yesterday. I believe these could have been business class seats. I'm not sure. If anyone is watching, you can correct me in the comment section. This is interesting. So this is what the captain has picked up for breakfast. Yeah, it's not much. I'm going to go light, but this is just like a teaser, an example of what the breakfast would look like. So the captain will enjoy, and I will have the review of the breakfast whilst I'm eating. Just a quick review, and then that's it. Okay, there's not much to review. Let's just see the cooks. So which one did you sleep?
In the 3 beds.
In the 3 beds.
Alone.
Alone? Why did you choose the 3 beds when you are alone?
I didn't choose. I should sleep with together with 3 other people, and I asked if it was possible to sleep alone. And then I got this. Yeah. Is there any cups?
Let's hope the captain didn't experience any bumps.
No, it was so quiet.
It was so quiet, yeah? Yeah, so you should give me good reviews to say the captain was so nice.
Yeah.
The plane flew smoothly.
And but we're still here.
Okay.
We haven't gone anywhere. That's the worst thing. We'll be flying.
Yeah, it's just that feel, you know.
Is there any cup? There is a cup. Oh, I'm blind. I have to lift my eyes. Have you been here before?
No, my first time. I had to travel all the way from the United Kingdom to come just for this experience.
You did?
Yeah.
Is it true? Oh. Wow.
Yeah, for the love of the 747.
Is it true? Oh, yeah. Are you serious?
I am dead serious.
Yeah. I'm very, and I really believe so easily. So you can't believe anything. Okay.
This they have roasted ham. That's nice. So where are you from?
I'm from Norway, but I live in Sweden, in Linköping.
Oh, so you're from around here.
Yeah.
Oh, I
And
see.
I'm going to Norway to visit a friend
I see.
today. And yesterday I came 10 minutes late to check in. So my airplane flew away.
Oh, that's why you had to come here.
So then I had to stay somewhere.
I see.
I have so little experience by flying. I've been so much like I always take train or car or something. I don't use so much air. So unexperienced. But this was nice. Last time I was in Stockholm, I was living at that hotel.
Oh, you did. You went to the Radisson.
Yeah.
Ah, I see.
It was with my work. It was a conference.
Ah, I see.
I like this better.
It is better, to be honest, and the rooms are all nice, well cleaned. I don't know the bathrooms were there, but I did check them yesterday. They were all nice. I don't know about this. What water you are on about?
It was a lot of wind all the time. It was like sleeping in a tent. All is wind. But I enjoyed it.
I liked it myself as well. Though it's freezing, to be honest. It's quite freezing.
I know what it's
He gave me another extra heater, but still, I'm an African.
And I took two. To be honest, I took 2 blankets. In the beginning after that because I was alone. When I grew up, we had no heat on the upper floor of the house. Only the first floor. So I was always sleeping in cold room.
At least you are used to it.
Yeah.
Me, I'm from the heat, weather of Africa. Sometimes the degrees can be like 40 degrees.
Then you can't sleep. How do you survive those temperatures? So where in Africa?
Zimbabwe.
I haven't been in Africa.
Oh, it should be. You should go, especially if you like things like safaris, wildlife. It's quite an experience.
Yeah. It would be. I've been a lot in the mountains
Mountains.
in Norway.
All right. Yeah, I should put that one on my bucket list. We do have mountains in Africa, like in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Yeah. But
You really have-
the Norwegians one are a little bit different, obviously, with the cold.
It is actually nice mountains in Sweden too, but I need to go north, experience that. It is the same mountains that goes over to Norway.
Yeah.
It's just border on middle. And then we have all the coastline.
Ah, I see.
Beautiful coast.
Yeah, the juices are in.
Yeah. No, my goal is to get on the plane in time. So
What time is the check-in today then?
The plane is going 11:30.
11:30.
So I'm going straight to the airport now. I don't make the same mistake two times because then my friend will be crazy.
I know it's how painful it is. I've been left it before, so
Everybody thinks, what I don't understand that this heavy thing can be flying in the air. I don't understand.
Yeah, true. And that was,
So big.
it is huge. Yeah, no wonder why it was nicknamed the Queen of the Skies, is it? And I was just reading there as well, when part of the history to say 193,000 liters
Oh,
of fuel.
I don't, I
The history is quite impressive, to be honest.
I have to take a photo. I really enjoy this. I want to sleep every time I can stop over.
Yeah.
My family enjoys it as much. I want to have it simple and I like this simple one.
And like you mentioned, how they managed to put this big thing in the air.
Carry this thing. The air is just, everything is just dropping through the air. If you
Well, that's it for the breakfast. Now I do have a couple of more videos to do before I leave here, because I now want to go do the one outside, like on the wingspan, and the other one probably I want to do on the like actual outside on the ground. So I'll be seeing you soon. Thank you for tuning in. It's bye for now.